All right, this is what I'm talking about when I say custom built to design. 68 Mustang that had the timing indicators on the driver's side with the water pump outlet on the passenger side. That's why when you order a motor from us, we've set you up the way you want your motor to look and what you need to make sure it goes in the car very smoothly. Happens to be one of our 347s, painted black, got a black oil pan on it, got the Ford Racing valve covers, black wires. This one happens to be a fuel injected Holly. We set them up, we run them, fantastic. Hey, made 483 horsepower and about 450 foot-pounds of torque. Again, I strive to be the best at what I do, and I'll make sure I do that until the day I decide to retire. Peace. Thank you. All right, Tim, got your 68 Ford Mustang engine. Happens to be one of our 347 with the Holly EFRs. Gonna fire it up, give you a live run demo.